Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the classic metered granny square. It starts with the normal granny square, then it is turned into a metered granny square, worked only in one corner. This is one way, and there is a different way which I already posted in the previous video if you'd like to have a look. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'm using medium worsted yarn and 6mm crochet hook. Starting with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 4. Two double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2. Three double crochet in the same chain. Chain 2. Three double crochet in the same chain. Chain 2. And last 3 double crochet and chain 2. Join to the top, chain 3. Okay, this is the first square complete. So you can make only one square of granny square, or 2 or 3, before you shape it into the metered, but I'm gonna do only one. So now we'll start shaping the metered granny square. I'm gonna chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. In the corner, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In the next space, I'm gonna make only 3 double crochet. So we're only working on this corner. This one will be left unworked. Now I will work back and forth from the same sides, these 2 sides. So I'm gonna chain 3 and I'll turn in the space 3 double crochet, in the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. and then in the next space 3 double crochet. And then in the last stitch 1 double crochet. You see, again we're working only on this side. Again I'm gonna chain 3 and I will turn. So here I have a space, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, add it to this chain 3 to make it a cluster. So basically whenever you have a space on the next row, you will make a cluster. When you have 3 double crochet or a cluster in the previous row, you only chain 3 and start working on the next space with a cluster. So in this space I'm gonna make a cluster. In the corner again, cluster, chain 2, cluster. In the next space 1 cluster. And again we have a space at the end of this row. I'm gonna make another cluster. And you're gonna continue the same throughout the work to obtain whichever length or width you like for your metered granny square with one blanket or different squares blanket. So this is other pieces that I have for it. Like I have explained, when you start with a chain 3 and you've got a space, you work 2 double crochet additional to the chain 3. And when your last worked stitches are a cluster, you only chain 3 and start working the cluster on the next space. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.